So this is the standard design of a Ouija board, and I have a board that is identical to this. And what my guides used to do when I was working with my spirit guides is that when I needed a message, I would just let my hand hover over the board like this, and they'd move it to each letter. And then when they wanted to say something, they would stop at that letter, then press down on it like that, or the numbers or responses. And this was effective, very effective. In fact, I got 100% accurate messages from using this design. So this design does work. However, it does give rise to the possibility of the Ideo-Motor effect, even if you have spirit guides. And the Ideo-Motor effect is when you think you're getting a message, but you're not getting a message. And basically your hand or finger is involuntarily reacting to a thought or an idea, which again is you think you're getting a message, but you're not actually getting a message. And so this board and this design can cause that problem, even if you do have a spirit guide. But keep in mind, most of the time, given that this board only works with spirit guides, any other time that it's used, it's not going to work. You just, again, the Ideo-Motor effect. People think it works, and unfortunately, that's led to this board being thought of as basically a hoax. However, I have been taught a method that will minimize the Ideo-Motor effect, and that would be making your own, which can be from simple paper like this quadrant graph. And what you can do is you can make a quadrant graph either as big as the alphabet in 1 through 0 or 0 through 9, or you can just simply fill in whatever letters and words you want, but try and spread them evenly on the graph, on the quadrant graph, and do it randomly. So you put an A like right there, a Z right there, a B, and then an M. And this will help you get an accurate message from your spirit guide, because your mind isn't memorizing where everything is, and therefore you're not using your own, for lack of a better word, subconscious mind and creating a message that is not authentic and from the other side. And what I would do after every time you use one of these graphs, destroy it and start anew. It will be tedious, but again, we shouldn't sacrifice accuracy for convenience. And so that's how you make a foolproof, well, I wouldn't say foolproof, but a near foolproof Ouija board. And again, you can do it with just basic paper, just loose leaf paper. And so there you have it.